Hola, ¿cómo está? Alright guys, so today we're in an area called Faro de Maspalomas, Meloneras, here in Gran Canaria. So it's about probably 20 minutes in a bus from Playa del Ingles, and yeah, there's a couple of different number of buses you can get, or it's about 10 minutes in a taxi. But it's a lovely area. It's like a resort down here. Like for Playa del Ingles, you're walking from different areas to different areas, where here everything's sort of along a strip, and yeah, full of bars and restaurants on the beach and just off the beach and that, you know. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's go. Boulevard El Faro. So that's just down there. It's restaurants and that. Excuse me. And where I'm walking in at the moment is actually designated for scooters and bikes.
Save yourself. You hit those.
Bit scattery today with the clouds, but it's still nice weather though. It's about 4-ish in the day, last time I checked. But there's a couple of temperature clocks along the way that we can check in and see what the current temperature is. And as you can see over here, it's just all restaurants all along there. The cool sandcastle here, look at. It's quite impressive, very impressive. Yeah, so you can see the time there now. It's 25 degrees there. At 8 minutes past 4. I knew it was about 4 o'clock. As you can see there, the big famous landmark, the lighthouse. I think they do tours of the inside of it. I'm not too sure now. But you do see people on the second level there, on the roof, if you want to call it that. So this area of Gran Canaria is famous for its sunsets. So all the restaurants here and all the hotels, they're all on the edge here, and literally they're all facing the water as the sun sets. I have seen it before. The sunsets are incredible here.
¿Qué pasa, tío? La pieza con una mierda. Ya que lo tienes abierto, cambio al mismo tiempo.
Wonder what they're looking for out there. Must be crabs, is it? Little crabs in the rocks. As you can see, the tide is out. So as you can see, this lighthouse is actually bigger than you think, really. It's only when you're standing close to it. It's big, isn't it? So there's the beach down there and the sand dunes from the other side. If you're watching the other videos, the sand dunes that you see, it would be on the other side of them. And yeah, just to sort of get a feel for the size of this lighthouse. Holy moly. There you go. It's lovely. Shall we walk down to the beach area?
Täytyy istua sen päällä.
Da ist die Gartenzone. Aziz da da fama mene amna fara.
So you have another look at that lighthouse. Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? I should actually get me drone one day and do an orbit around that. It is very windy out here, guys. Alright, so I know there's a couple of bars down here who have got loud music playing. So I will be sort of putting my own music over. Still, so at least I can still walk past it. Some nice restaurants here. So this one here, El Senador Beach House. Canarian cuisine. You got the Corona bar there. El Senador. That's cool, isn't it? I'm surprised the music isn't actually blasting out of there. It was there a while ago. Yeah, it is. It's just can't hear it because of the wind. And like everywhere else in the world, you can't go nowhere and not find an Irish bar. Paddy's bar. Look how small it is. It's tiny. Anyway, yeah, Paddy's bar. Oh wow, look at that guy serving points out that little gap. See? Plenty of people around here. Early seats for the sunset. Mind you though, it doesn't get dark for another 3 hours, but
Ja, was hat er erzählt? Ja.
it's really nice, isn't it? That's looking back up that part of the beach towards the lighthouse. And that's the strip there where all those little bars and restaurants on. Well, what do you think of this place? And he's watching ever stay here? I've never been down here at night, so I don't know what it's like. Have you? Yeah, guys, if you are new to the channel, you're very welcome. If you are new, please subscribe. It is free, always will be. And yeah, we're always here in Gran Canaria, twice a week, every Wednesday, every Saturday. So yeah, stay tuned for next week's video. All right, adios, peace.